starts in modeling, I would say that they need to go on internet, because that's the place where you can teach yourself anything in the world, even if you are not going to any school or college. I have learned a lot of skills from internet and modeling as well. So when I started, I went on internet and I looked for world's top male models, and I compared myself in the mirror that what can I do to become somewhat close to that person who are doing one of the best jobs in the world. So it's very important to have a goal where you want to reach, and then you start working on yourself. You need to know how to stand, how to talk, how much to talk, who to talk to, where not to go, all those sort of things, what sort of food you need to eat, what time you should go to sleep, and we all need to sleep. We all at least should be sleeping 7 to 8 hours, because that's the most important thing in one's life. And you have to look after your food, you have to have a regime, you have to go to the gym, or you go for a run or something like that. Otherwise, to become a model these days is not that difficult. I would say, as everybody keep asking me, how do we start? When we started, there were not used to be many agencies. There were used to be coordinators, and we were used to send our photos printed to them, or we were used to hop from one office to another to get jobs, or to ask them if we can be casted for any ad or something like that. But now it has become easier in digital world, and there are many agencies for models. So I would suggest that go on internet, type top modeling agencies of India or anywhere in the world, and then you go get your photos clicked, not even with the professional camera, even with your mobile phone. You can tell your friend that take my photo like from the front and from the side, and then you go on the email that you can find on internet of any agency. You put your photos, right, like a little bit about yourself, where you're from, how old are you, how tall are you, and your passions, and you send it to the agency, and then I would say good luck. This is the way to get into modeling. This is the best way. This is the safest way. And if you talk about the shelf life of modeling career, it depends. How curious you are to learn in life can keep you going as long as you want. Because I started 15 years back, and I still feel like I'm so hungry that I'm not done with this career, and I would like to extend it as much as it's possible. And for that, you have to stay in a certain shape, and you also have to educate yourself. You also need to know where you fit and where you don't. I can't be looking like the way that I'm looking, because I got a little bit of grays going on. So I can't say that, oh, I should be casted in a show or a shoot where they require people who look 18, 20, 21. So I need to know that. I need to have that sense about who am I supposed to approach for the jobs. So yeah, that's it. I guess there are a lot more things that I can tell you, but I think the video is going to get too long. So these are the few things that one needs to know. Go on internet. There's everything on internet. That is where I got to know everything from. You don't need to come to me or anyone else. Use your brain. That's the most important thing. Even though people say that models are dumb, models are not dumb. We are not dumb. We know everything. It's just that a job does not require us to talk, so we keep our mouth shut. But that doesn't mean that we are dumb.
Right.